She is so lovely. Classic features of a perfect face. He is so ugly. Disfiguring scars hide his face. Who is the beauty and who is the beast?
When I'm reading, I am succeeding. I pick up a book and take a look. My mind just starts to grow. When I'm reading, I feel so free and turning pages, spending ages with my friend and on my own. I love to read. Reading is the gateway skill that makes all other learning possible. Hey there everyone, I am Fakria Izzian Hanani binti Asmadi. I am from SK Kampong Igan. I am in year 5 Cemerlang. Reading has become almost everyone's hobby as it provides a lot of benefits. Precisely, my hobby is also reading book. I love reading. Not only love, but I think reading is a part of my life that inspires me in so many ways. I love to read a book entitled The Prince Charming, The Lonely Bones, The Book Jumper, The Shellfish Crocodile, and most that I like is The Beauty and the Beast. Thus, I would like to share a story that I like. It's about Beauty and the Beast. This book is published by Autumn Publishing and it consists of 24 pages. It's written by Gabriel Suzanne. Let me share the synopsis of this story, which begins as follows. The Beauty and the Beast is a heartfelt story about the birth of love and the capability of love to transform the way you look at people you love. The moral of this fairy tale is that person's beauty comes from a heart in love, and when the beauty realizes the inner beauty of the beast and the feeling it has, the outer appearance mean nothing to her anymore. This story is about true love which transforms the beast into a prince. In real life, not only fairy tale, every person we consider to be a soulmate is a beautiful prince or princess. The fairy tale has a happy ending because the great love between the beauty and the beast was real, and when the beauty declared the love for the beast, he transformed into a beautiful prince. They soon got married and lived happily ever after. There's a lot of life lesson that I get from this story, but the most life lesson that inspire me is inner beauty is more important than outer beauty. I learned this one along with beasts. True beauty comes from within. It's about being kind to others and not only thinking about yourself. Next, the life lesson that inspires me a lot is don't let your fears get in the way of new experience. Life can be scary, we get it, but pushing yourself out of your comfort zone makes you a better person. As my school is a trust school, I used to apply the 21st century as well as in the Nilam. I always use a lot of thinking tools such as circle map, bubble map, string map, and flow map. For this story, I have created a bubble map to apply the moral story that can be found in this story. Thank you.